everybody, it's Mike with Seeds and Arrows Frontier. Today we have an interesting video coming at you. I traded a little bit of venison rump roast with a buddy of mine that went up to Lake Erie and fished for some walleye. I've never tried walleye before, so I was kind of thinking, I'd like to see which way I actually like to try it. So today we brought with us over to my sister's house. We got our Masterbuilt Smoker versus the air fryer versus regular frying up fish. So we got a little bit of walleye. We're going to prepare it. We're going to do like a panko crust on it, and then try these three methods to see what actually tastes the best. So stay tuned. So I just wanted to say thank you to Kenny for providing the walleye for us, and I traded it for venison rump roast, as I said earlier. But you know, it's just nice to be able to get out and experience new things. You know, trade up a couple different things. I know he said he got a lot of fish, and this is a picture of his catch. But he was fortunate enough to have a good catch and provided us a couple of pounds for us to fry up. So thank you, Kenny. And hope that the venison rump roast turns out great for you. Now let's get into cooking up some fish.
Okay.
Alright. So what we're using is the Kokomon tempura batter mix with extra crispy. We're also going to be doing some shrimp, and then also here is our walleye. So we got our walleye.
I can't see it.
You get that? So it's a white fish fillet, which we got it soaking right now in some salt water, and then we're gonna go ahead and batter it up. We're gonna throw it on the air fryer, and also in the Masterbuilt, and then also in some of the grease. Fry it up. So we're gonna see which one is the best. All right, so we got some the Kokomon tempura battered mix that we're going to be battering up some of the fish with here. And got my fish fried. We got the smoker on out there. We're going to have some that we're just going to do over canola oil. And we're going to put some in the air fryer and see which one we like the best. So I got my helper here. Trista's gonna help me, although she just wanted to break an egg. Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do, since we only have a little bit of the tempura Kokomon batter mix, we're gonna try to fluff it up a little bit with some yellow cornmeal, and put some seasoned salt and garlic powder in there. So Trista, go ahead, pour some of this onto the pan right there. Can. This one right here. Yeah. Oh, plate. We'll go ahead and pour it onto the plate. I'll tell you when. A little more. There you go. There you go. Oh, that's too much. All right. Now pour a little bit of that in there. A little bit more. There you go. That's enough. Alright, now we need a fork. So what you're gonna do? Oh, now we're gonna pour some of the seasoned salt in there, and then some of the garlic. I like garlic. Sorry. Now we're gonna use a fork to make it all together. We got our fish going in the fryer. Fish in the fryer. Yeehaw! Smelling good. Smelling like fish dinner. Now I gotta hurry up and go get the ones on the Masterbuilt Smoker. Okay. Let's go. Alright, so these are going on the air fryer. We got these battered the same way we did for the ones that we put in the deep fryer. But we're going to put these in the air fryer here. Taste these and see how it comes out. It's got, as long as it goes in here, right? There we go. So it's got a fish button on here. I'm just going to hit that. 15 minutes and ready to go. So we got the air fryer going, the Masterbuilt Smoker with some on, and we got the rest of it frying inside. So just stay tuned. We'll see what comes out the best. So these are the they decided not to come off of the tray here, but these are out of the air fryer. So now we got these. Alright, so here's fish out of the fryer.
Mom, I technically
So this is the one that just got off the smoker. So it's a nice white flaky meat. And so we're gonna try to, I'm gonna try to taste sample each of these as well. Alright, Dad, so what do we got here?
We got fried, air fried, and smoked walleye.
Okay.
We fixed it different ways so we can figure out which would be the most tasty.
There you go.
So I'm going to take a bite of each one.
Now which one's that?
This is the one my wife made, so it's going to be good. And that's a fry. And that's very good. I don't know who used the air fryer.
That'd be your son.
Well, that's pretty good too. Actually, there's really not much flavor difference in them, but they're delicious.
Yeah, we battered it the same way. It's because we wanted to see which one we like. But go ahead.
Well, I'm a big advocate of the air fryer.
Now that one's a little bit differently. A little seasoned.
It's got a great taste. And if you're counting your calories on the bread part, then this is a great way to go. It's very tasty and very moist.
So the smoker actually tastes pretty good, huh?
It's awesome. It's delicious. So
Nice.
I wouldn't kick any of them off the plate.
There you go. I'm going to try some myself.
Well, good luck. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
All right, so here we got the deep fry, the air fryer. That's still, you can tell the air fry because it's still got a little bit of the crust that wasn't soaked in the grease. So this is air fry, and then this is the smoke on the Masterbuilt Smoker. I'm going to try the Masterbuilt first.
Tristan, you're holding me a little too shaky.
Because you're distracting me.
The Masterbuilt's pretty good. It's got a good smoke flavor to it. Walleye itself is pretty good. So I like that. I like the Masterbuilt. It's pretty good smoke flavor. So this is the air fryer. I do like the panko crust was pretty good, or whatever type of the Pokemon crust. Let's see the deep fry. Yeah, they're all good. So I guess if you know how to make fish, either way you make it, I mean, it's really good. But walleye itself, I just have to thank my friend Kenny for making the trade with me. Thanks, Kenny.
Great.
We traded. I traded him a venison rump roast for some of the walleye that he got up at Lake Erie. So
You should have got instead. You should have traded instead some kind of sausages are good.
well, we'll try that next time.
Does stop.
Anyways.
All about, how to work with the cameras and smell the fart acting.
I'm sorry. What, Jay?
It's like you got so many lines to learn so fast that sometimes you need a minute to remember your next one. So while you're thinking of it, you take this big pause where you look all intense, like this. Okay.
Walleye itself is pretty good. So I like that. I like the Masterbuilt. It's pretty good smoke flavor. So this is the air fryer. So that concludes our taste test, but thanks for watching. Stay safe. Make each day count.
And God.
And God bless.